Hello, so here is dating app which is called DateMyAge, and the idea of this app is that it's specifically designed for people above 40s, 50s, 60s. So yeah, if you're in that age category, you can just try to use this app. Um, yep. So and then it just works as a normal app. Then you can just you can see the profile. You can look and see who this person is looking for. You can start messaging. You can start chatting, sending gift, send voice call, and then also you can just send a message to reach out to people to match you between specific ages. So you can try to do that, but then of course you need to subscribe for this feature. It's a premium feature. And then you can get it for $24.99 per month. So 50% off all purchases, 20 credits on chats and emails, initiate chats with 10 members, read all messages, use extended search, let's mingle service. So that's that. Then there are contacts. So you have no messages yet, reach out and chat with other members. So you don't have contacts, and then you can have emails, and then can be just your profile. So you can see your credits which you can purchase. If you want, you can get 10 credits for $21.99. There are some like dating tips, especially for this category of people. You can reach out to support from here, either on Facebook Messenger or email. Then in settings, if you want to, you can just enable push notifications and delete an account from here, which is really nice that they include this option to delete your profile just inside the app. You can also just hide profile if you don't want to delete your data completely, or log out or turn off email notifications. And then from here you can also do this other things like changing password, logging out. So that's that. From here you add in photos. You can see, you can change your filters, change all of these details. By the way, you can sign up easily using your Apple ID or something like that. And that's basically the app. That's how it works. If you want to activate subscription, you can just do it from here. Subscribe to continue communicating. 50% off all purchases, 20 credits on chats and emails, initiate chats with 10 members, read all messages, send a search, and all of that. Hope that is helpful.